How to add products in Shopify store on mobile, step-by-step guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add products to your Shopify store using your mobile phone. If you're managing your store from your phone, this method will help you quickly upload products, add prices, and publish them to your store. Let's get started. First, download and open the Shopify app on your phone. Once the app opens, log into your Shopify store account. After logging in, tap on the Products option at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap the Add Product button, usually shown with a plus icon in the top corner. Next, enter your product title, which is the name of the product you want to sell. After that, add a product description explaining the features, details, and benefits of the product. Now, tap Add Media to upload product images or videos from your phone gallery. Once that's done, scroll down and enter the price of the product. You can also add inventory quantity so Shopify knows how many items you have in stock. If your product has options like size, color, or style, you can add them in the Variants section. After filling in all the product details, scroll to the top or bottom and make sure the product status is set to active so customers can see it in your store. Finally, tap Save. And that's it. Your product has now been successfully added to your Shopify store. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Shopify and online business tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.